Okay, this is going to be a brief review of ovarian anatomy followed by some testicular anatomy. So the ovary has three components. There's the surface epithelium here, just lining the ovaries. And then there's the germ cells, which is basically the oocytes. Remember, there's a lot of oocytes in the ovary. And then there's the sex cords. There's fibrocytes in the stroma. And then surrounding the oocytes, there's going to be theca cells. Remember, there can be theca externa and theca interna. And then there's also granulosa cells. Remember that the theca cells are what's going to make the androgens, and then the granulosa cells take those androgens and convert them to estrogen. Okay, so now testicular anatomy. First of all, this is the epididymis right here, and then this is your vas deferens that carries the semen out of the testes, and then now we have the seminiferous tubules. And if you take a little cross section of these tubule, this is what you're going to see. This is our little tubule. And then you have the Sertoli cells. And then you have spermatogonium that are going to slowly mature as they go in. And now you get mature sperm. And the Sertoli cells nourish those spermatogonium and help them mature. And then around the seminiferous tubules, there's a bunch of Leydig cells around here. Okay, so it's going to be like right here. These are Leydig cells. And these help make testosterone. Okay, so that's it for our testicular anatomy.